What's up, good people? I'm your guy, Aubrey Dunbar. Welcome to the channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys have set your 2025 goals, and I hope you guys are already on the path to crushing those goals. Today, we're here to talk about TikTok, the TikTok ban, what it means, what it could mean, how it unfolded. Today, we're going to give a slight timeline of what the TikTok ban could mean and how it can affect social media marketers like myself and some of you guys out there that are watching this channel and want to get into social media marketing. Let's get into it. TikTok rose to become one of the most downloaded apps globally with over 1 billion active users. Let's jump into the timeline. The introduction of TikTok. TikTok was born in 2017 when ByteDance merged its Chinese app with Musical.ly, creating the global phenomenon we know today. It quickly gained popularity for its short, engaging videos and powered by a unique AI algorithm that keeps users glued to the screens. By 2019, TikTok wasn't just an entertainment app. It was shaping the culture, launching music hits like Lil Nas X's Old Town Road and becoming a marketing goldmine. In 2019, reports emerged accusing TikTok of censoring content critical of the Chinese government, like posts about the Hong Kong protests and other sensitive topics. That same year, US politicians raised concern about its ties to China, calling for a national security review. By 2020, the US military banned TikTok on government devices, citing privacy risk. India made headlines by banning the app altogether after broader clashes with China. In August 2020, President-elect Donald Trump issued executive orders to ban TikTok unless ByteDance sold its US operations to an American company. It's funny because this is the same app that helped Trump win the 2024 election. Wow. How things turn. Companies like Microsoft, Oracle, Walmart entertained talks to acquire TikTok, but no deal was finalized. ByteDance fought back with lawsuits arguing that bans were unconstitutional and violated due process. As Trump's presidency ended, so did the push for the sale of the app. The Biden administration. When President Biden took office, TikTok bans were put on hold, but concerns about privacy and national security didn't disappear. In 2022, reports surfaced that ByteDance employees in China accessed US user data, reigniting fears over how the data might be used and shared with the Chinese government. TikTok responded by migrating US user data to Oracle servers to address these matters. In early 2023, the TikTok CEO testified before Congress in a tense 6-hour hearing, facing tough questions about the app's ties to China and its handling of user data. TikTok ramped up its lobbying efforts, bringing creators to Washington to emphasize the app's importance for small business and influencers. Despite these efforts, both the FBI and Federal Communications Commission warned that TikTok could possibly be a security risk. By 2024, lawmakers passed a bill demanding ByteDance either sell TikTok to an American company or face an outright ban. President Biden signed the bill into law in April 2024. ByteDance responded by suing the US government, arguing the forced sale was unconstitutional and violation of their rights. Today, in 2025, as of January 19th, the TikTok app is supposed to cease operations and supposedly supposed to disappear from the App Store and from your phone. I've heard two parts to this. I've heard that the app will be non-existent in the App Store, but those of us that still have the app will continue to be able to use the app. But today, that was last Friday, December 10th. As of today, January 15th, I read articles explaining that the app will be completely wiped off of your phone and you will not be able to use the app in the US. Let's talk about one obvious alternative. One would be Instagram, but there's another, Snapchat. Snapchat has a deep, engaged audience amongst the Gen Z and millennials. Among the younger demographic, it's similar to TikTok, with over 375 million daily active globally users. It's already a favorite Gen Z and millennial app. Another cool feature that Snapchat offers is augmented reality and other AR tools. Snapchat is a pioneer in the augmented reality advertising space, offering interactive ads like AR lenses, filters, and 3D bit emojis. These features make Snapchat a strong contender for brands looking to create immersive, creative, and engaging ad experiences similar to TikTok's viral challenges. Snapchat Ads platform offers robust tools like Snapchat Ads, Story Ads, and Dynamic Ads, providing flexibility for different campaign goals. Its detailed targeting capabilities and performance metrics make it easy for advertisers to optimize campaigns and drive measurable results. With Snapchat Spotlights, its TikTok-style video feed, brands can reach users who enjoy scrolling through shorts, viral content, making it a natural transition from TikTok. So, social media marketers, with Facebook and Instagram always being there, we're gonna lose that powerful second option that we can have in our belt to reach Gen Z and millennials. Snapchat could be a valuable replacement, but only time will tell. And there are other apps on the horizon. There are several different apps out there on the come up, but none would be as powerful as TikTok, the TikTok shop, the challenges, the sounds. It ushered in a whole new wave. But as a social media marketer, a digital marketer, I've been enjoying TikTok, the TikTok shop, TikTok advertisements, the way the platform works, the lead generation campaigns, the traffic campaigns. It's so many ways that we can utilize TikTok. Spark ads. I've been enjoying Spark ads. Several clients are gonna lose out on this instrumental and very, very powerful tool to reach the millennials and Gen Z. E-commerce brands. A lot of e-commerce brands are gonna suffer. A lot of tech brands are gonna suffer. A lot of the products that the TikTok shop, the TikTok sponsored ads that have just been available going through the timeline, the great products that I've been introduced to on TikTok, it's all gonna go away. So all we can do is just wait to see exactly what happens on January 19th when we wake up, check our phones. If the app is still there, or will it fade away at 12 a.m. noon Eastern time? Who knows? But I appreciate you guys coming through and checking out the guide. Thank y'all. Hope you guys continue to crush it. All right. Thank y'all. It's been Aubrey Dunbar. Thank y'all.